One of the trickiest things to do when it comes to building out your personal brand is actually being able to define it. When it comes to actually talking about it and telling people what your brand is, getting clear on that and being able to articulate it is really difficult for a lot of people. So if you struggle with this, know that you're not alone. My favorite quote is one by Jeff Bezos, who said that your brand is what other people say about you when you're not in the room. And I like to put my little real estate spin on it by saying your brand is what your clients will say about you once the deal is done. Today, I'm going to walk you through a very special exercise that I used to use all the time with my one-on-one clients when we were building out their brands, and it worked so well. It's called the Harry Potter Invisibility Cloak exercise. And by the end of this exercise, you should have a crystal clear idea of what your brand is. Sound good? Let's dive in. So the first thing that I want you to do is grab your Harry Potter Invisibility Cloak and head on over to a client cocktail party filled with all of your favorite past clients. We want to focus on them. You enter into this cocktail party and you are there with your invisibility cloak on, and you see a group of your favorite clients chatting. And so you sneak into the middle of that circle and their conversation turns to you. I just had the most amazing experience with my realtor who... And then we fill in that sentence. What would you dream of them saying? When I did this exercise for myself, I would love for them to say, oh my gosh, I had so much fun with Melanie. It was so amazing. She was so approachable and she made me feel so comfortable. And I was able to just give her all of my ideas. And I felt like I was speaking to somebody who I could trust completely with my vision. And when she gave me the end result, I was blown away by her creativity and how much care she put into the design. Those were the kind of things that I was thinking about hearing. It doesn't matter what you say. It just matters that you get clear on what it is that you want them to say about you, because when we can get clear on what we would desire our ideal clients to say about us when we're not in the room, we get very clear on what our brand is. I had many realtors who would come to me who would ask me for a specific aesthetic. And then when we did this exercise, that aesthetic didn't match what they really wanted. And so we got clarity on exactly what to create for them. That's why it's very important to choose exactly the clients that you loved working with, because you are literally going to create a blueprint on how to attract those types of people into your business over and over and over again. So once you've done this exercise and you have everything written down, take all of that information and bring it into a program like ChatGPT. My favorite right now is Gemini. And you can ask Gemini to create a brand identity around what you would desire your ideal client to say about you when you're not in the room. I hope that this exercise helps you as much as it's helped so many people in the past. And if you have any questions or comments, or you just want to chime in and let me know what you discovered when you did this exercise, pop that into the comments below and make sure to subscribe and like this video so I know to make more just like it. I'll speak to you soon.